let me ask you a question. Are you making money online, or are you building an online business? Now, those two things may sound like the same thing, but they're actually not. And in this video, I'm going to explain to you what the differences are and how one of them is actually harming your chances of making any kind of profit with an online business altogether. So let me explain. So when you're of the mentality that you want to make money online, you will do often anything to make that money. It could include filling in boring surveys. It could include building affiliate websites, or even selling your grandma's panties on eBay. Whatever it is, you don't care. You just want to make that money. You want to make it an extra $100 for the month to pay some bills, to treat your family, whatever it is, you want that short-term gain, okay? But this could actually be harming your success, because often when you're looking at short-term things, the outcome isn't always as you expect. For example, the idea that you can sit at home filling in surveys all day long sounds incredible because you have all this spare time you could be filling with money-making activities, right? But in reality, these companies will not pay you anything until you get to the end of the survey. Most of the time, they won't even let you get to the end of the survey if you fill in the question wrong or not to their liking. And even when you do get to the end, you get paid something ridiculous, like 50 cents for like an hour of your time. Honestly, you get paid way more working for, Uber Eats or driving as an Uber rep or whatever it is, right? So don't think about the short term in terms of, making money online, because a lot of the time these people sell you these courses, they, have these videos on YouTube to get you to make money online. I even saw a video the other day that was like, you know what, you can sign up to these freelancing websites and you can translate other languages using Google Translate. How novel, forgetting the fact that the person on the other end of this transaction is going to get a half decent outcome, and if they wanted a Google translated document, they would have done it themselves. For example, there's many other of these kind of scams out there, and just bad advice in general, coming from a business owner who does this stuff day in, day out. If you're looking at things from the make money online perspective, you're often kind of disappointed with the outcome based on what the expectation is, because the expectation is up here and the reality of the situation is down here of how much you will earn, okay? Whereas on the online business side of things, you should understand that it's more of a long-term process. Yes, it does take you longer to set up the foundations, to create a website, to build a product sometimes if you want to do that kind of stuff to earn more money than you would as an affiliate. However, you're building the foundations of a house that yourself and your family can live in, quote unquote, for the rest of your life. It's something which is never going to go away. If you continue to grow your business, you continue to stay on trend, you continue to help people to the best of your ability and give them what they want in terms of free content, but also sell them what they're looking to buy in terms of paid content, you will never have a problem with money ever again. For example, with my online business, when I first started out, I was of the make money online mentality. I always wanted that next quick buck. I was in college eating like really cheap ass noodles. So I would be like just eating the same boring crap all day long, every day, and just because I didn't have any choice. I was broke as a college student, right? So I was in that make money online mentality. I was falling for all the scams of, how many surveys can I fill in today? After like a week of doing it, I made like $5 or something ridiculous. And all the other stuff as well, getting my accounts banned because of following other people's bad advice. And at that point I thought, you know what, this isn't sustainable. This isn't gonna be something I can replicate over the long term. For example, if I was filling in surveys, I'm sure I wouldn't be where I am today, because it's just not a great way to do business online. It's not a business at all. It's just, it just makes me cringe for thinking of that kind of stuff. So when people are promising you all these big claims, you don't have to do anything, you can sit on your ass all day long and do nothing and make $1 bazillion by pressing 3 keys on your laptop, of course that's not going to happen. They're just trying to sell you a course or something like that. So instead of that, instead of chasing that short-term gain all the time only to be disappointed time after time after time when things don't go to plan. Try and think of things from a longer term perspective, okay? And this is where we come into the online business territory of that, you know what? Yeah, it's going to take you a week or maybe a few weeks or maybe even a few months if you're a bit slow with technology or you lack time to work on this kind of stuff. But it's okay because you're investing in yourself and your family and your future results. That's it. You're building a house that you can live in for the rest of your life. You're building something that will provide for yourself and your family for as long as you want to go ahead with it, right? You can sell the business if you don't want to keep it up anymore, but equally, you know, it's helping people around the world. So why would you not want to do that if you've invested that business into something that you enjoy or that you're passionate about, right? So hopefully this clears things up for you. If you are thinking in the mindset of how do I make money online, please don't. Please stop it, because you're only going to disappoint yourself. You're only going to think, you know what, this strategy is the next best thing that I need right now. This loophole is the thing I've been looking for. Let me tell you a secret. There is no magic bullet. Believe me, I've looked. In over 12 years of doing this stuff, as of recording this video for you, I've never found anything that's just a push button solution to making money. If something existed, everybody would be rich. So try not to go for that make money online mentality. Try not to fall for that BS. Instead, think about things logically from a business perspective. When you think of it as a business, you will earn a business income rather than a hobby income if you were to think of this as a hobby, okay? That's really important. So think about things logically. What types of people do you want to help? What do you want to help them with, and how are you going to help them? If you want some help with that kind of stuff and the strategy behind how to do that kind of stuff, feel free to check out our website. There's a link in the description below this video. And also, if you're watching on our blog, you're already on our website. So go ahead and check out the top navigation menu with our programs and services if you want. If not, totally fine. So give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. If you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button just so you never miss a future video like this. And I will see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye-bye.